In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to build forms for event RSVPs with automated reminders that will make your life so much easier. Whether you're organizing a wedding, a business conference, or any event, setting this up can help you streamline the process and ensure that everyone remembers your event. Stick with me till the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial for the software we'll use in this video. It's available only to viewers of my channel. Let's dive in. The first step is to choose the right platform for building your form. While there are many options, I've tried several, and I'm going to recommend the best one. The software we'll be using makes building forms super easy and integrates with other tools to help you automate reminders. To start, you'll want to create a new form and select the RSVP template. This template typically includes essential fields like name, email, and event preferences. Once the form is created, you can customize it to fit your event. You can add options like meal preferences, arrival time, or any other details specific to your event. This software allows you to drag and drop these fields, so it's incredibly intuitive. Now, to make this even more efficient, you need to set up the automated reminders. Here's where it gets really handy. The software has built-in email automation. You can set up reminders to be sent out at specific intervals leading up to the event. For example, you can send a reminder a week before, a day before, and a final one an hour before the event. This keeps your guests informed and ensures they don't forget. In the reminder emails, you can also include additional information like directions to the venue or dress code. Just add these details in the email section of the automation settings, and the software will take care of the rest. To make sure everything runs smoothly, always test your form before sending it out. The software provides a preview mode so you can fill out the form yourself and see exactly how the RSVP process looks from the guest's perspective. Once you're happy with it, publish it and share the link with your guests. And here's a pro tip. Don't forget to set up a thank you page or confirmation email that lets your guests know their RSVP was received. This can make the whole process feel more professional and organized. So, to recap, here's how you can build forms for event RSVPs with automated reminders. First, choose the right software, then create and customize your RSVP form. Set up email automation for reminders, test the form, and make sure to send a confirmation to your guests. The key takeaway here is that automating your RSVPs and reminders saves time and ensures your event runs smoothly. If you want to follow along with this process, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's available only for my viewers, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.